morning everyone, myself Suhan. Sir. Today we are discussing about the drilling machine. As you know, many industries run only on the machine. In that machines, one of our widely used machine is drilling machine. Today we are going to study about the drilling machine and its specification and its working principle and the types of the operation that can be performed in a drilling machine. Next. As you know, what is drilling? The common definition for a drilling is a machine which used to make holes on a solid. Solid means like a wood, plastic, and the other materials. So, working principle of a drilling machine. Based on the drilling machine works on the rotatory motion. As you know, what is rotatory motion? Rotatory motion is the rotating of an object. Here in a drilling machine, we have a drill called a drill, which is sir, use the drill is suspended in the chalk. As you know, working principle of a drilling machine. Based on the rotatory motion of a drilling machine, drill rotates and moves vertically downwards. Cutting edges remove the material from a core. As you know, we use a drill machine. This is a next class we have a laser light. This is a drilling machine. This is the workpiece. Workpiece is a drill bit. This will be entered in the rotary motion, and this is the stationary, and the cutting tool enters into the parameter. It is not kind of normal and you can't do it. Now we are going to learn the working principle of a drilling machine. As you know, this is a drill and this is a working machine. This is a workpiece. The drill works on the rotatory motion. Based on the rotatory motion, as we switch on the drill, as we press the power button, the drill rotates clockwise. As the clock rotates, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. As a drill rotates in a rotatory motion, it goes vertically downwards. When it goes vertically downwards, it creates some hole. This hole called as a drill hole. The power is transmitted from the motor to spindle to drill bit. This is called as a drill bit. This is a drill bit and this is a workpiece. So the main parts of the drilling machine. Here this is the overall drilling machine. This full image is known as a drilling machine. The first part, base. Here is a base. Base. It supports the machine. No, everything needs a base as its bench have its base. So same kind of thing has in a drill machine. This is called a base. We support the whole machine. And the vertical and the column. This is the vertical column. We support this spindle and the column and the chuck and the table. This vertical column supports the drill machine. And the table. And this is a table. In the table we put our workpiece which should we have to drill. And this table helps to hold up our workpiece. Spindle. This is a spindle which used to hold a drill. As you know, drill that rotates clockwise. And this is a chalk. This is the chalk downside of the this is a chuck which is downside of the drill which used to hold a drill. And motor. This is a motor. As you know, motor gives a power. With that power, that spindle rotates, and from that spindle, as that drills rotate and makes or create a hole on the workpiece. So, the specification of the drilling machine. So, first specification is size as maximum drill diameter. Size means the capacity of the drill to make a maximum diameter hole on a workpiece. Spindle speed. Spindle means which spindle means which spindle means which holds the drill. Fed rate. Distance of the drill bit moves into the workpiece unit per time. Fed rate means the distance between the drill bit moves into the workpiece. Fed rate means the drill which moves into the workpiece. Power of the motor, as you know, power of the motor used for the rotation. Table size and the moment. It is necessary for the storing the workpiece. Distance between the spindle and the column. This is for holding the drill. Next. So, the types of the operation that can be performed in a drilling machine. First one is rimming. As you see here, this is a normal drill which we do in normal days, and this is a rimming. And this is a rimming, and this is a boring, and it is a counter boring, and it is a counter sinking, and it is a taping. So, the first operation is rimming. So, what is rimming? Rimming is a finishing operation used to slightly enlarge and accurate finish a previous drilled hole using a tool called rimmer. When we drill a workpiece, we may not drill a workpiece accurately. We may not drill a piece accurate diameter. So then we use a operation called rimming. So what is the use of rimming? By the use of rimming, the operation can be used to slightly enlarge and accurate the finish of the previously drilled hole. As I said, we can't directly accurate the diameter and the size of the drill hole. By the using of this rimming operation, by the tool called rimmer, we can accurately enlarge the diameter of this hole, and we can give a proper finish. By this process, we can give a proper finish to the workpiece. So, what is the purpose of the rimming? To improve the dimension accuracy. I said that we use this rimming operation to increase the accuracy of a workpiece, to get smooth surface finish. As you can see upside, when we drill, we can get some chips on side the workpiece. By using this rimming tool, we can get a smoother surface upon the workpiece. To get a smoother surface finish, as I said, so to obtain an exact hole size, by the using of this rimming operation rimmer tool, we can get the exact hole size.
Okay, you can start. Okay, you can start. I know almost like 8 minutes. Start now. Okay. So now everything is good. Only thing is you need